So the stylist did a beautiful layered haircut for the first style. And as you guys know, layered hair has been trending heavily this past year. It's a great way to add some much needed volume to your strands. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So here we have someone, it looks like her hair was kind of matted. Not sure exactly what happened, but the stylist does have the scissors. Oh, he does this really chic pixie bob style. Wow. Now, I don't know what her hair looked like before it was all matted, but this is a gorgeous hair change. I really like the overall shape of this. Wow, she looks incredible. Beautifully done. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with mid-back length hair. The stylist cuts the hair. And it looks like she might be getting a bob. Wow, beautiful classic bob makeover. Very nice. And then we move on to the next transformation. Looks like the stylist might be doing another layered haircut for this one. Very nice. She has the curtain bangs and the beautiful layers. It looks like she also might have got a tinge of red done to the hair, like a very slight rinse maybe. Very nice. Definitely giving a nod to that very popular cherry cola trend, the deep reddish tone. And then we see someone with hair just around their shoulders. Looks like the stylist is going to be adding in some color for this one. There is the before, and ooh, look at the after. Beautiful beige blonde with a little bit of the fringe bangs going there in the front. Very nice. I love the beige blonde hair trend. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.